Hello everyone! This is Sirine from Canon Middle-East, and today I will be taking you through a brilliant tool called Canon Creative Park. So, have you heard about the Canon Creative Park? It's a portal that offers a huge range of creative paper craft templates that you can easily print and put together to create anything from greeting cards, children toys, calendars, and much more. So the Canon Creative Park is accessible either on the online website or through downloading the app. So, let's start by taking you through the content and categories available on the Canon Creative Park app. Once you download the app and access it, the first thing you will see is the top featured themes. For example, you will see fun with kids, stylish days, enjoy the party, and much more. If you wanna look at templates by category, you just click on category and it will take you to all the templates available on the app, such as event, kids, hobbies, room decor, etc. If you want to see the recently added templates to the app, just click on New and it will take you to all the templates recently added to the app. Don't forget, you can also find all these craft templates on our Canon Creative Park website. So let me now take you through the tools that we will need to perform this very fun activity. Canon Pixma printer, Canon matte photo paper, scissors and a glue. Thank you for joining me today to learn more about Canon Creative Park. Don't forget to download the app, bring your equipment, and stay tuned for the coming tutorial videos. Bye-bye!